So we've locked this all off by twist tie, and I'll just bring it in so you can see the space frame here comes through, and then you've got a wing out this side which is like that, and you've got your flappy bit just to need a shoehorn on there, so that's for your elevation, so that's that side, and then you come through and then you've got your tail there which looks like that. So if we just do a rundown from the tail, so it goes there, then it locks into this nut here which ties all of that and it stops them pushing. Then we come through here down to the back of the tail, then I've put some twist ties on that connects it to there, and then we come through, that's one wing there, then we come through to the front, and then on the front we've got a locking device there, and then also there, and then just twist ties on the top too. So that comes through like that. So we go from side to side, start from this wing, we've got these in taped through the middle of your wing, through like this. Then you come to the fuselage, which is the TIG welding rods, like that, coming through, and then you've got your wing on the other side. And the wing shape is designed so that you can have when it's attacking the wind like this, it's coming through and it's nice and flat through here and that cushion the wind, and then you've got your turbulence that comes over the top here and then that lifts up. So we probably need to make something across the back here, a bar, another rod. So we've got a rod on the bottom, and we're going to probably need another rod because this is going to lift, and it's going to want to lift the back of the meat pack up inside, and so we're going to have to probably tie that down, and then on the end there with another twist tie with another tie, hold that down, so that holds it down across the top there and across the top there. So what we might do now is put some of those ties on this edge here and on this edge just to hold these down together. So I'm going to go and do that now, and I'm going to have to get one more of these 40-cent rods just for the back there to tie all of that down. And I may redesign this a little bit here so we got a 4 strut, just like we got 4 at the front. I'm going to have 2 at the back either side. So that's where we are. So subscribe and keep watching because we're getting in the air with this meat pack plane.